yun din talaga lagi yung dapat nating alalahanin, ikaw, ako, tayo, na wag tayong ma-afraid mag-start because you'll never know na one day, yun din pala yung pinapangarap mo or one day, yung gusto mong goal, ma-achieve mo. 5 years from now, 10 years from now, babalikan mo tong moment na to. Nasama-sama tayo yung nagsabi na, oh, start na natin yan. So, push nyo na yan. Kung ano yung nasa isip nyo, either taking another course, falling in love, or going and traveling to any place na gusto mong puntahan, i-go mo na yan. Dahil kapag nag-try ka, dun din talaga dadating yung, oo, sige, at first, nangangapa ka. Like now, nangangapa ulit ako sa content creation. I know this will not be perfect, but it's okay. Alam ko na dadating yung moment na matututo ako. I'll learn from experience. I learned from doing it again. And nabalikan ko tong moment na to na I'm so glad I started. I'm so glad and thankful and praying na maging consistent. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Hindi kailangang grande kapag nag-start ka, but tuloy-tuloy and you keep on holding on to your passion and purpose.